Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. How's your day so far?
Actually, my day just has begun because I woke up 20 minutes ago.
Oh, you just woke up.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I am.
This, are you
I
are you
am
in
from.
India?
I am no. I'm from. I'm not from India. I'm from Middle East.
Okay.
In a country called Iraq.
Oh, okay. So you're from Iraq. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
So how do you get to know about this platform then?
Actually, from YouTube.
Okay.
I used to write English conversation on YouTube, and I saw so many apps. One of these apps, actually, it's Clapingo, and this is my second time here on Clapingo.
Okay. Wow, that's really nice. That's good to hear that you chose an Indian app. Okay, so I'll just quickly introduce myself. Hi, my name is Kanishka. I am a fresh graduate. I just finished my undergraduation and I love teaching. I'm super passionate about it, and I love meeting new people. That's why I'm here. Could you
That's
introduce?
fantastic.
Could you introduce yourself? Tell me something about yourself, and then tell me the reason why you're on Clappingo.
Yeah, okay. My name is Ahmed, and I'm from Iraq. Um, I um, I have a bachelor's degree in English literature. I got my degree in 2008, but actually I didn't use it as a teacher. I'm qualified to teach English, but I'm not really into teaching style. Um, you can say I taught myself how to deal with the softwares and networks. So nowadays I am an IT programmer. I work with the computers and laptops, fix them and sell them as well. And this is my next second time here on Clapingo to improve my English as well as to increase my bank of vocabulary.
Wow, that's amazing. That's really nice. So you said you had a degree in English literature.
Yeah,
Yes. Did you like it or no? Not really.
actually, I like English, but I don't like to teach English. Because it's so hard. Especially when my students they are not get the idea quickly. I get a sore throat here in my throat, right? Because I have to because I have to speak over and over. I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
I'm saying that you didn't have the patience to teach kids in English. That's why you just gave up teaching in English at all.
Exactly. If my students are clever enough, okay, I will get them and allow them to get my sessions. But if they are not not clever, oh my gosh, no, thank you.
Very nice. Okay, great. Did you have a chance to read the session document that was provided to you?
I guess I saw the session about maybe the shopping.
Yes, that's correct. It's about shopping. So when I say shopping, what's the first thing that comes in your mind?
Shopping. Yeah. For example, do you mean shopping for you know, uh, there are two method of shopping, like online shopping and in real life you can shop. So what you're not feeling well today.
No,
I
no, I
bet
am.
you I bet you have had some those students,
No,
hard students.
I am, but it's just that I've been talking since the past 3 hours now.
Okay, you can drink water. It's better for your throat.
No, no, I'm good. I'm good. Please
Uh,
continue.
are you sure? It's okay for me. It's don't worry about my minutes.
No, 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 no. I'm sure I'm good.
Okay, okay. So as I said, we have two method of shopping: online shopping and shopping in real life. Let me tell you a story about about my shopping. 3 days ago, uh, I was I woke up very early, at maybe 5 a.m. Okay, and then I couldn't return to sleep again. I told myself, okay, let me browse Facebook, and I start browsing Facebook like over and over, scroll down, and I saw like an advertisement for a toys, okay, and then I told myself, yeah, it's a good toy for my nephew. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get this toy. So uh, I ordered this toy. Like I gave them my name and my area and the location and my phone number, and like and then I back to sleep. Okay, so I was about like sleepy when I ordered this thing, this toy. And then after 2 hours, okay, the delivery boy called me. Hey man, I have a delivery for you. I said, what delivery? He said like a toy. I said, what? I didn't ask for a delivery or a toy. And man, it's your name and it's your location and it's your phone number. Oh man, I don't remember that because when I ordered that, I was sleeping actually. You can say like unconscious, right? And then he reached at my door. I told him, oh yeah, I ordered that delivery. So it was like a toy about teaching English. It was like a card, okay, um like flashcards with the names of the animals, the names of vegetables, okay, and you have like just I don't know how do you call it. It's like a machine. When you put the card into this machine, the machine will like pronounce the card. For example, yeah, for example, the
Oh,
bus or ambulance, and then they they say like the sound of the ambulance, of the sound of the animal.
can you hear me now? Hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
That's actually really cool. This toy is actually super cool. How did you even think about buying it? Did you just like randomly buy it?
When I saw like the video, I said, "Wow, it's a good toy." But actually, I ordered that toy, but I like I was sleepy, like not full control. Okay,
Got it.
yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. So what do you prefer? Do you prefer shopping online or do you prefer going to the actual store and shopping it?
It depends on maybe in summertime. Actually, I prefer to go no to shop online because here in Iraq it's very hot, especially in June and July. It's very hot here in Iraq, so I prefer to shop online. But in winter time, it's okay. I prefer actually to shop by myself, like get my stuff. I like when I order them online.
Okay, that's nice. So do you guys have like a shopping season in Iraq? Like a season where everyone's just shopping and there are some crazy deals?
Yeah, when when that like sales time, when the summer gets end, or when the winter gets end, the people like the markets and all the like the malls, they they start like posting on their Facebook pages like we have sales time, we have sales summer or winter. Okay, so they start like selling their products with like let's say with a cheap number of money.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So well, I just wanted to ask you, what's your mother tongue? What do you usually speak back at home?
Um, okay, can you guess from my accent?
Uh, no, I can't figure it out. That's the reason why I wanted to ask you.
Okay, my first language is Arabic.
Arabic. Okay, 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 okay. So you guys like everyone in Iraq talks in Arabic, or is it just
Just Arabic, and in the north of Iraq, people there are speaking Kurdish.
okay, Turkish in the north of Iraq, and where
No,
you live?
not Turkish. No, sorry, not Turkish. Kurdish.
Kurdish. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.